What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. I am Sharina J. So today is going to be a very quick tutorial video. I woke up this morning, used the bathroom, and realized that I am literally clean out of my foaming hand soap. Y'all see that? It's the littlest bit of that left in there. So I'm just about to make myself some more. Usually I get it from Bath and Body Works, but I haven't had the time nor the cash to just be randomly spending money on foaming soap. So I have some body wash here. I'll show y'all everything I'm gonna use to make it. So I have this body wash by Native, and this is amazing. Amazing deal. I love this body wash. It's the best. And I just get mine from the website, and they're 3 for $20, and then I had a coupon off, so I got like 3 for like $15. They're normally like $8 to $9 at Target or Walmart. I'm gonna add a little bit of alcohol just to make it like antibacterial. I'm gonna add in a little bit of tea tree oil. Now this has like almost a citrusy scent to me, and so I'm just going to add a couple of drops of this tea tree oil as well, just for the extra health benefits added to that. And then I have my foaming hand dispenser. It will not work if you don't have a foaming hand dispenser. You have to have a foaming hand dispenser. And I got this one from Amazon, so I'll link it in my Amazon storefront. So if you want to get some, they were 2 in a pack. I think they were like 2 for $10. Again, I've had these for like 2 or 3 years now, so inflation, so be mindful of that. But I'm gonna go ahead and make me some stuff. Let's get to it. All right, y'all, so we're gonna voice over this part because I had too much water running. Y'all could barely hear me. So the very first thing that you're gonna do is get your container, and you're gonna go ahead and fill it up maybe a quarter to half of the way full with whatever body wash that you like. The more body wash you use, obviously, the more concentrated that it will be. So I started off with like a quarter way, and then I was like, no, I want more soapiness. I want more of the soapy effect. So I went ahead and I probably did 1/3 of the way through the bottle. Then we're going to take the alcohol. I just did 3 capfuls of alcohol. And this is just standard isopropyl alcohol. I think mine was 70%. You can get it up to 90%, I believe. But this is just what they had at my local drugstore for 80 cents. So that's what we're going to go with. This is what I keep in my house for disinfecting, and you can get a cut or something like that. Then we're going to just add some tea tree oil. Normally it comes with the little drip easer, which gives you like 1 drop at a time. My bottle don't have that, so I just did maybe 1 second pour. And then you want to fill this entire thing up with warm or hot tap water, not boiling water from a stove, but as hot as you can get it from the tap. That way it dissolves the soap. Once you put all of that in there and fill it up, you don't want to fill it up all the way because you don't want it to overflow once you put the top on. And then you're just going to kind of swish it back and forth. You don't want to shake it because you don't want bubbles to form. You just really want the soap to dissolve and, the oil to get mixed in. So yeah, just kind of swirl it around like this. And then that's pretty much it. And now you've got your foaming hand soap. So we're going to go ahead and just shake it up. Not shake it. Again, don't shake it. We're going to swirl it. But once you think that it's good and dissolved, then you're good to go. If you wanted to add food coloring, to match a color scheme in your bathroom or whatever, you could do that. But I'm an all natural girl. So all natural girls, stand up. Where you at? But the clear is perfect. So I love that. And then, we're going to test it out and see how it works. Let me see if I can. And voila, foaming hand soap. All right, that's it for today's video. If you liked it, comment down below what kind of scent would you like for your hand soap. But yeah, I'm about to wash this off my hands, get in the shower because I got things to do, and I'll see y'all later with another video because I missed y'all yesterday, but y'all still getting 30 vlogs during this Vlogtober. So, but this is it for today. All right, so I'll see y'all later.